Let us take one more example on consistency of system of linear equations. The question is examine for consistency, and if consistent, then solve the following system of equations. So the first equation is 2x minus 3y plus 7y, 7z equal to 5, 3x plus y minus 3z equal to 13, and 2x plus 19y minus 47z is equal to 32. So we have these three equations, three variables. So we have to just check it that the given system is consistent or not. And if it is consistent, then we have to obtain the solution of the given system of linear equations. So we have to examine the consistency of the following system of equations. 2x minus 3y plus 7z equal to 5, 3x plus y minus 3z equal to 13, 2x plus 19y minus 47z equal to 32. So the system of simultaneous equations, one can be written as a matrix form, Ax equal to b. So 2 minus 3, 7. This is nothing but the coefficient. Coefficient of x is 2, y is minus 3, z is 7. So 2 minus 3, 7. Similarly, in the second equation, 3, 1 minus 3. And in the third equation, 219 minus 47, 219 minus 47. And the constant term are 5, 30, and 32. So where A is equal to coefficient matrix, X equal to variable matrix, and B is equal to constant matrix. Let us consider the augmented matrix. So augmented matrix is the combination of coefficient matrix and constant matrix. So 2 minus 3, 7, 5, 3, 1 minus 3, 13, and 2, 19 minus 47, 32. So now our aim is to find out the rank of augmented matrix and rank of coefficient matrix. So first thing, we have to convert this augmented matrix to its echelon form. So for that purpose, we have to ask two questions. What is the first question? First question is A1 1? So clearly it is 2, which is not 1. So we are getting negative answer of the first question. So let us ask another question. Are all elements below A11 multiple of A11? So 2 is multiple of 2, but 3 is not multiple of 2. So we are also getting the negative answer of the second question. So let us try to make this question positive. So what we can do over here, let us just subtract R1 minus R2. So what will happen? So 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, 7 plus 3 is 10, and 5 minus 13 is minus 8. So now here, the first element become minus 1. Okay, so minus 3 is the multiple of minus 1 because 3 can be written as minus 3 into minus 1. Okay, so 3 is the multiple of minus 1. Similarly, 2 can be also written as minus 2 into minus 1. So the 2 is also multiple of minus 1. So we can go ahead. So with the help of these minus 1, we have to make these two 0. So we have to apply R2 minus R2 plus 3R1 and R3 plus 2R1. And then if we apply this operation, we are getting this matrix. So let us check it. This is true or not. So first let us take R2 plus 3R1. What is R2? 3, 1, minus 3, 13. What is 3R1? We have to multiply this by 3. So minus 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 12. 30. 3 into 10 is 30. And 8 into 3 is minus 24. So let me subtract it. This is minus will become plus, plus, minus, plus. So this is 0. 1 plus 12 is 13. Minus 3 minus 30 is minus 3 minus 30. Oh, sorry. Oh, we are adding over here, not subtracting. Sorry. So this is 3, 1 minus 3, 13. We have to multiply this by 3. So minus 3 minus 12, 30, and minus 24. So we are adding over here, not subtracting over here. So 3 minus 3 is 0. This is minus 11, minus 11. Minus 3 plus 30 is 27. And minus 24 minus 13 is minus 11. So we have this second row. Similarly, if we do the operation R3 plus 2R1, so 2, 19, minus 47, and 32. If you multiply this by 2, it will become minus 2, minus 8, 20, and minus 16. So if we again add them, so 2 minus 2 is 0, 19 minus 8 is 11, minus 47 plus 20, which is equal to minus 27, and 32 minus 16 is 16. So now this is the third row. Now let us go to the A22. We ask the question, is A22 1? So answer is no. We ask the second question, is this below A22 multiple of A22? So clearly 11 is the multiple of minus 11. So we can apply the operation. So what is the operation in R3? R3 plus R2. If we are adding them, so what we are getting? We are getting the first two row will now never change as it is. So 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 11 plus 11, 0, minus 27 plus 27, 0, and minus 11 plus 16 is 5. So this we have the echelon form of the given matrix. Now just look here. What is the main diagonal? This is the main diagonal. So below the main diagonal, since all elements are 0, so this is the echelon form of the given matrix. Now, we want to find out the rank of augmented matrix and rank of coefficient matrix. So clearly, if you see the augmented matrix, the first row is non-zero, second row is non-zero, third row is non-zero. So the rank of augmented matrix is 3. But if we see the rank of coefficient matrix, just look here about this part. Don't think about this part. So minus 1, minus 4, 10, 0, minus 11, 27, and 0, 0, 0. So we have only 2 non-zero rows. So that's why the rank of coefficient matrix is 2. So here, the rank of augmented matrix is 3, and the rank of coefficient matrix is 2. So since both are not same, therefore the system is not consistent. And hence, the given system of equations is not consistent, and hence it has no solutions. So this system is not consistent, it has no solution, so we are not able to get the solution of the given system of equations. So this is our answer. Thank you very much.